the miracle of winning souls. 'Cause when I was saved, there was a sound of joy in heaven. 'Cause when I was saved, there was a sound of joy in heaven. Remember the night at the upper room, yeah. Remember the night where souls were won. Remember the sound of joy in heaven. Like a river flow in a desert land, I can feel the joy in heaven. I believe in winning souls.
Right now, in the training egama lika Yesu kaThixo empilweni yakho. God has sent us to Emfihlweni to announce to you the good news of the kingdom. But basemfihlweni, give us a second of your time. Siyacela nimamele. There's a message of God for your life today. uThixo une message for your life namhlanje. Some of you nidlule ezintweni ezinzima. Some of you are going through sicknesses. Some of you are going through pain. God uThixo has sent us today to announce your victory and to announce that this is the day of your deliverance. Give us time to share with you the good news. Some of you abantwana bayagula, but Jesus Christ has come to bring deliverance. Kanye nawe Nkosi yami, kanye nawe Nkosi yami, angihambi mihla yonke, kanye nawe Nkosi yami, kanye nawe Nkosi yami, kanye nawe Nkosi yami, angihambi mihla yonke, kanye nawe Nkosi yami, kanye uthando lwakhe